What's going on, guys? Jeremy here with Kentucky Wash Pros. We got Bryce out on the job today. We're going to be cleaning this house and we're going to be doing this driveway. But most importantly, we're going to talk about the driveway and how to clean a driveway. So we got our stuff laid out. Everything's hooked up. We got our hose snaked. So what we're going to do is, while we're waiting on them to move the cars, we're going to go ahead and treat this driveway, pre-treat it with about a 3% mix, and let this set for about 15-20 minutes and let it sit there and kill that bacteria. So we're going to go ahead and get our soft wash pulled out, and we're going to come over here and make sure that it's set on 3%. So the water's on. Kick back just a little bit, no soap. We're going to turn it on. That's about 1, because it don't open up to about right there. So about right there. We're going to call that 3, 4, somewhere in there. Go ahead and get this thing fired up and start pre-treating. So we're not going to treat this because the cars ain't moved, but we're going to go ahead and treat this. We're just going to wait for some suds to come out. With this setup, generally about, there you go. I sprayed just a second or two before that, but suds should come out real heavy here in a second. I think this is just flushing some of the line. There it is. So we're just pre-treating because it's so nasty. We're not going to do that because they're going to come out and walk, move their vehicles. So one less thing we have to worry about anybody getting chemicals on them. So 6 minutes and 40 seconds, we've cleaned this. Now we just gotta rinse this. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passes. We cleaned it. We're running the Mini Mondo, that's 31 inch. We're running the 25025 tips in that for a 10-gallon minute machine. We have our regulator up here that we can adjust the pressure on the fly. That way we can dial it into where we need it. If we're cleaning new construction or new concrete, we can turn it down. So now what we're gonna do is, if you notice the way we have this snaked out, we always kept the hose on the clean side of the concrete. When I mean clean side, that's just the side that we had just cleaned. And we're turning it around strategically. That way the hose is never in the way and we can move fluidly. That way we can move fast. So Bryce is just going through here, edging that little section in with the ball valve. We're gonna go through and rinse all this off. We're at 7 minutes and 30 seconds right now on this driveway. So it shouldn't take much longer, another say 5, not even 5 minutes really to rinse it off. And then we'll move up there. This driveway in total will probably take 30 minutes for it's about 2,800 square feet, I do believe. So it shouldn't take very long at all to do it with the right equipment and the right machines. So we're gonna go ahead, we got all that edged in. He's gonna go ahead and start rinsing. And the reason that we're working in big sections is just because we have bigger machines. So it's not gonna dry on us before we get to be able to rinse it. Now that's one thing you need to take in consideration, is if you don't have a 10-gallon minute machine, say you got a 4-gallon or a 3.5 or something like that, you're gonna wanna work in these little sections. Like this is a section, you wanna work one section at a time. But we can work in multiple sections just because we can move a lot quicker and nothing dries on us. So that's one perk of having bigger equipment. You can work faster, you can be more efficient, but the smaller equipment will do it just as good, guys. And this is why it's important to pre-treat a driveway. Some people will post-treat. Sometimes we post-treat and pre-treat depending on the severity of the driveway. I don't know on this one until we do it. You can kind of still see some lines a little bit. This might be a 2-pass driveway. Maybe we should have double passed it. We'll see once we get there. Like I said, he's over there edging in a little section that we just didn't hit right. And that's a good thing about the ball valve, is being able to do that and adjust the pressure as needed. Anyways, I won't bore you guys to death anymore with showing you this. So we're going to go ahead and get up on this section next. Well guys, we're done. We're all wrapped up. We've done the house and the driveway. It's took us right at an hour and 30 minutes to do everything with the filming. So you can see this is still drying. It's still wet, I mean, but it's drying. And here we go. It's crazy how good it looks. Looks so good. I'll throw the before and after pictures in after this just to refresh your memory. This is how you clean a driveway. Do it the right way. Driveway's been done for a while. As you can see, it's dried or drying. We just finished the house. We're off to the next one.